Hey everyone, this is Kia of Saskatoon here with a fresh trade in a 2015 Nissan Armada Platinum. This is loaded, and of course everyone just remember we are taking anything on trade. Boats, RVs, campers, you name it. This thing's ready to go, it's ready to tow. It's got power, everything. Take a look at this. You pull the handle here, opens the hitch or the tailgate up just like that. It's got power, fold down seats. You can even fold them back up even, believe it or not. Take a look at that, all by the push of a button. Now let's go inside, take a look at what else is going on here. You are not going to believe this. This is insane. So this has DVD headrests in the back. It's got heated seats here with the captain's seats. Third row seating, of course. And check it out. What movie's playing? Home Alone. There's Home Alone playing in this thing right now. It's so cool. We got moonroof. We got rear air controls. You can control them from the front. You can control them from the back. It's got a Bose stereo system, of course. And you got navigation, you got heated seats, tow mode, heated steering wheel, and much more. Unbelievable the amount of features on this thing. And best part, only 123,000 kilometers, power pedals, parking sensors. This is a good deal. So come on down to Kia of Saskatoon, where we take anything on trade. And of course, we want to see you in a Kia as well, folks. And that's about it. We look forward to seeing you here and checking out this vehicle. Hope they see you soon.